Missouri Governor Mike Parson will remain quarantined for at least 10 days after testing positive for COVID-19. The governor and First Lady Teresa Parson both tested positive. The governor says that he's feeling fine and Teresa has mild symptoms. Governor Parson traveled to Kansas City and at least 5 other places around the state Monday and Tuesday. KMBC 9's Michael Mahoney explains the big contact tracing underway now.
Parson had several events like this one in Kansas City Monday, signing the new witness protection bill. His office now says there's a contact tracing process underway for all of Parson's early week events. State Rep John Patterson, a surgeon, was at Monday's event here. He says he's not surprised Parson caught it.
Just because of the prevalence of the disease and it can affect anybody.
He says 2 other state legislators at Monday's event, State Senator Tony Luetkemeyer and State Rep Mark Sharp, are concerned.
They both told me they're following the guidelines and quarantining for the next 14 days.
The guideline is within 6 feet of the infected person for 15 minutes or more, and Patterson doesn't think that happened at Monday's event. Parson's quarantine will last another 10 days, and he'll work from the governor's mansion. His campaign and their allies will continue too.
Nicole Galloway is liberal on crime.
That commercial's from a third-party group that supports the governor. Galloway sent well wishes to Parson yesterday, but a main part of her campaign has been criticizing his handling of the virus in the state. Michael Mahoney, KMBC 9 News.
Well, Missouri is out with new guidance on letting people visit their loved ones inside care facilities, especially long-term care facilities. Any facility can now allow indoor and outdoor visits, but only for residents who do not have a suspected or confirmed case of COVID-19. Visits can only happen if the facility has been COVID-free for 2 weeks, and there must also be social distancing and hand washing before and after the visit. Face coverings are required unless a resident can't wear one. In that case, a plastic barrier can be used. It's up to each if they want to adopt these guidelines or continue a ban on visits. Health officials in Wyandotte County are concerned about a deadly trend that they're seeing brought on by the coronavirus. They say the COVID-19 death rate in the county is more than 81 deaths for every 100,000 people. That's more than 5 times higher than the eastern Jackson County rate. Health officials are watching a number of factors.
We have much poorer, unfortunately, baseline health outcomes in Wyandotte County. We have higher rates of the vast majority of typical cancers, higher rates of hypertension and diabetes, and all across kind of those comorbidities that we're always talking about as being risk factors. We have higher rates of those in Wyandotte, and not just across the board, but especially higher rates in our Black and our Hispanic communities. And so those are really just being exacerbated right now.
So far, 134 people have died because of COVID-19 in Wyandotte County. Missouri is reporting 1,365 new cases of coronavirus since yesterday. Kansas will update its numbers tomorrow. And while the Kansas positivity rate is the same, Missouri's has gone up slightly to 12.9%. The national rate is holding steady at around 5%.